Hello dear friends, this is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like, and also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video I want to show and tell you how you can find a saved video in YouTube. Many people know that there is such a function, save video, you save online and you can review offline this video. But not everyone knows where to find these videos and where they are saved. First, let me show you how to save a video. You go to YouTube, find the video you want, click here on the three dots under the video and click the button, Download Video. Idea download this video. Now to find all my downloaded videos, I click on my profile, go a little bit lower and there's an item called Downloads, click and here I can watch the downloaded video. Mind you, it's already downloaded, so I can watch it offline without any problems. As you can see, this is a very easy and quick way. Done. There's nothing complicated at all. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.